Hello students, welcome to Little Scholars Public School online classes subject Maths class 6. Students, today we will learn like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals. Decimals having same number of decimals places are called like decimals. For example, 9.82 after decimal point, how many decimal places? 2. 5.70 after decimal point, how many decimal places? 2. 4.89 after decimal point, how many decimal places? 2. And 7.50, how many after decimal point, how many decimal places? 2. These all decimal numbers, decimal places are same. So, these decimal numbers are like decimals. Now, unlike decimals, decimals having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals. For example, 98.2, how many decimal places? 1. 49.70, how many decimal places? 2. And 5.489, how many decimal places? 3. 1, 2, 3. All these decimal numbers, decimal places are different. So, therefore, these decimal numbers are unlike decimals. Understood, students? Now, next, changing unlike to like decimal fraction. So, unlike decimal fractions can be changed to like decimals by adding as many zeros as required. Students, we convert unlike decimals into like decimals because when we are comparing the numbers and we adding the numbers, subtracting the numbers, so it is very difficult to subtract or add or compare if the decimal numbers are unlike. So, it is very important unlike decimals convert into the like decimals. So, it is very easy to compare. Like decimals are very easy to compare, addition, subtraction, etc. So, for example, see here 43.04, 94.3, 101.432. See in this example, after decimal point, here 2 decimal places, 94.3, here 1 decimal place, and 101.432, here 3 decimal places. Now, we are converted into like decimals. So, which is the more decimal places number? 101.432 has 3 decimal places. So, the other decimal numbers we are converted into 3 decimal places. So, what we will do? So, the other unlike decimals are converted into like decimals by adding 0. So, 43.040 we add 0. 94 point here only 1 digits, only 1 decimal places. We want here 2 decimal places. So, we add 2 0 and 101.432 here already 3 decimal places. So, therefore, like decimals are 43.040, 94.300 and 101.432. These are the like decimals. Now, see here 4028.32. After decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. 25.03. After decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. So, it is a like decimal. Okay. Now, 782.46. How many digits? 2 digits. 482.638. How many digits? 3 digits. Here, different decimal places. So, this is the unlike decimal. Now, we convert into unlike decimal into like decimal. So, here see 782.46, here only 2 digits and here how many digits? 3 digits. So, we want this decimal number 782.46, we add 0 here. So, we converted into like decimal. Okay. Now, next example. Convert fraction into decimal. Now, when we convert fraction into decimal, when denominator is 10, 100 and 1000. Look at this. Take the given fraction's numerator, then mark the decimal point after 1 place or 2 places or 3 places. from right towards the left. If the given fraction's denominator is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, etc. respectively. Okay, students, we want denominator is like 10, 100, 1000. Then we convert it into decimal number. So, first example is 7 by 100. Okay, 100, denominator is 100. Yes, how many zeros on 100? 2 zeros. So, we will in numerator we will come right hand side, and after 2 digit we take a point. So, here 1 and here digit is not here. So, we put a 0 before that number. So, 1, 2. So, what is our answer? 0.07. 77 by 100. 77 by 100. 77 by 100. So, denominator is 100 and how many 0 on 100? 2. So, we will in numerator we will come right to left and we put a point after 2 digit 1, 2 point. So, 0.77. Okay. Now, next example is 999 by 1000. So, 1000, how many zeros on 1000? 3. So, in numerator after 3 digit we put a point 1, 2, 3 point. So, 0.999. Okay. Now, next example 9999 by 1000. Okay. 1000, how many 0 on 1000? 3. In numerator we will come right hand side and 1, 2, 3. After 3 digit we take a point. So, 9999 by 1000 equal to 9.999. Okay. 9.999. Okay, students. So, next example. Now, converting decimals to fractions. In order to convert decimals to fraction, place the number that follows the decimal point over the place that the decimal ends in, then simplify as necessary. See here, we learn in previous video the decimal number. Decimal number, the decimal places, tenth after decimal places, decimal point, first place is tenth, second 100, third 1000. So, is like we see. For a first example, convert 0.7 to a fraction. 0.7 after decimal point, how many digit? 1 digit, and it is the 10th place. So, 7 by 10th. Okay, students. Now, next example is 0.25. 0.25 after decimal point, first one is the 10th place and second one is the 100th place. The end one is which place? 100th place. So, 25 by 100. Now, this 25 by 100, we will do a lowest term, simplest form. So, 25 ones are 25, same number is divided by numerator and denominator. Then we same number is divided by numerator and denominator, then we will take a lowest term. Then we will get a lowest term. So, 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So, 1 by 4. Okay. Now, next example. Convert 1.625 to a fraction. Now, 1 is a whole number as it is, right? After decimal point, how many digits? 3 digits. So, 1's 10th, after decimal point, first is the 10th place, 10th, 100, 1000. So, we will write here denominator 1000. So, 1 625 by 1000. Now here we will see here lowest term. This fraction we will do a lowest term. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100, 25 ones are 125, 25 sixes are. So is like that you solve. First you solve 25 twos are 50 and 25 fives are 125, and here 25 fours are 100 and 0. Again we will do 25 by 40. Which number is divided by both the numerator and denominator? 5. 5 fives are 25, 5 eights are 40, so 5 by 8. So 1 and 5 by 8. Okay students, is like we solve 1 whole number 5 by 8. Okay students. Now next example. Fractions to decimal. To change fraction into decimal, you divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay? Numerator by the denominator. Example 7 by 20. Now numerator is whole number, so 7.0 and divided by 20. So 20 zeros are 0 because 7 is not divisible by 20, so 0. Then we will put a point upside and we will put a 0. So see here, seven and here 20. 20 zeros are 0, 7. Then we will put a point 0. 20 threes are 60. Then we will here 70 minus 60, 10. Here 0. Because here decimal point we will put, then second place we will go 1 0 we can add. Third place we will go third 0 we add. Like that we will 1 1 0 add. Now here 100. 25 fives are 100. So our answer is 0.35. Okay students. Now next example is, here already saw how to solve this. This is called a terminating decimal. Okay. Now next, comparing the decimal. First we convert unlike decimal to the like decimal. When we are comparing the decimal, first step is we convert unlike decimals to the like decimal. Then compare the whole parts, whole numbers, and then the given number have same whole number, then we compare the decimal parts. Compare the digit left to right. Okay students. Now next, see 532.48 and 682.26. What we will do first? These are the both the decimal numbers have like decimals. So first we check the whole numbers. 532, 682. Which is the biggest? 682. So 532.48 is less than 682.26. Okay. Now 42.36 and 42.68. Again these two numbers are like decimals. First step. Second step is what? We check the whole numbers. Whole number is here 42, here 42. Both are same. Then we check the decimal places. Here after decimal point, here 36 and here 68. Which is bigger? 68. So 42.36 is less than 42.68. Okay students. Okay. Now next example, comparing the decimals. Again same is like that, 63.84 and 57.98. The given decimals are 63.84 and 57.98. Let us compare their whole numbers. 63 is and 57. 63 is greater than 57. So 63.84 is greater than 57.98. Compare 98.70 and 98.31. The given number have same whole numbers. So we compare 10th and 100th. 98.70, 98.31. 10th and 100 plus 70, 31. Which is bigger? 70. So 98.70 is greater than 98.30. Now next, ascending and descending order. When we solve ascending and descending order, first we convert unlike decimals into like decimals. See here 6.035 and here 6.53, 6.005, 6.359. All decimals numbers are not like decimals. So we will convert into the like decimals. 6.035 here 3 digit after decimal point. Here 2 digit, here 3 digit, 3 digit. Which one only converted? Second one. So 6.035 comma 6.530 we add 0, then comma 6.005 and 6.359. Now we compare the digits in whole numbers parts and corresponding places in decimal number part. First we see that 6.035, 6.530, 6.005 and 6.359. These are the whole numbers are same. Now 0.035, 530, 005 and 359. Okay. Now we will come in a ascending order. Okay. So first one is 005, 6.005, then less than 6.035, then less than 6.359 and then less than 6.530. Okay students, first we convert into the like decimal, then we compare the whole numbers and then we compare the decimal places. Okay students, see next example is write as fractions 0.23. Now decimal numbers convert into fractions. Zero point two three. 0.23 we convert decimal into fraction. So 0.23 after decimal point, how many digits? 2 digits. In numerator write 2 digits 23 by, in numerator 23 by, in denominator, so 2 digits means we put 1 on 20. 10th 100, 23 by 100. Okay. 0.00059. How many digits? 5 digits. So 59 by 10th, 100th, 1000, 10,000 and 1 lakh. So our denominator is 1 lakh because the last place is lakh place. So we will denominator write 1 lakh. 0.5001. So in numerator we write after decimal point is a 4 digits. So 5001. So first place is after decimal point 10th, then 100th, then 1000 and 10,000. So in denominator we will write 10,000. Okay. 0.071. After decimal point how many digits? 3 digits. Okay, 7, 1. We write numerator. Now first place is after decimal point 10th, then 100, then 1000. So we will write 1000 in decimal denominator. Okay. 0.309. After decimal point how many digits? 3 digits. 309. Then in denominator numerator write 309 and after decimal point first place is 10th, second place is 100th and third place is 1000. So we write denominator is 1000. 0.0037. So after decimal point we write 37 in a numerator and now after decimal point first place is 10th, second place is 100th, third is 1000 and fourth is 10,000. So we write denominator is 10,000. Okay students, is like we solve the decimal number converted into fraction. Now write as a fractions in their lowest term. First we convert into the fraction and then we take out the lowest term. See here, after decimal point 0088, numerator we write. After decimal point, first one is 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. So we will write here 1000. So now we will divide 8 and 1000 in which number? Same number we divided by 8 and 1000, then we take out, then we will get a lowest term. So 8 divided 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 0. Again 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So our answer is 1 by 125. As fractions in their lowest term. See 0.008. So first we convert 8 by 1000. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20 and 0. 2 by 250 again divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So 1 by 125. Okay. Now here 0.075, 75 divided by 1000 because it is the place is a 1000 place, ending place is a 1000 place. So we write denominator is 1000. Now here 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100, 0. 3 by 40. The answer is lowest term of 75 by 1000 is 3 by 40 and 0.008 is a 1 by 125. Okay students. Now next example. Change the decimal by division. Okay. First we divide and then we convert in a decimal number. See here how to divide. 1 by 5. So this denominator is divided, numerator is divided by denominator. So 5 zeros are 0, 1, point we will put 0, 5 2s are 10. Okay. So what is our answer? 0.2. Now next example. Eleven 35 by 80. We will divide only 35 divided by 80. 80 zeros are 0. Now here point we will put in a quotient and we put 0 on remainder 350. Now 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So we will write here. Now here 30. Again we will put a 0, 300. 8 3s are 24, 240. Again here 600. Then 4 3 and then 8 7s are 56. Then 40 and then 8 5s are 40. So what is our answer? 11.4375. Okay students, you solve it in your notebook, then it is clear. Okay. So what is the answer? 0.2, 11.4375. Okay. Now next example. Fractions convert into decimal. Now denominator is 10 or multiple of 10. So we want denominator 10, 100 and 1000. So how to do? See 5. Which number is multiplied by denominator 5? The answer will come 10. 2. 5 2s are 10. 4 2s are. Then same number is multiplied by numerator and denominator 8 by 10. Now 9 by 2. 9 by 2. multiplied by 5. 5 2s are 10. 45 by 10. 1 by 8. So 1 by 8. 1 multiplied by 125 and 8 multiplied by 125. So 125 by 1000. Okay, students. So this type you solve the examples. Compare the decimal numbers. Now you know that how to compare the decimal. First we convert into the like decimal and then compare the first whole number and then decimal part. See 5.91, 5.89, these are the like decimal. Then first we compare the whole number 5, 5. These are the same. After decimal point here 9, 1, here 8, 9. Which is the bigger? 9, 1. So 5.91 is greater than 5.89. 23.175, 23.192, both the numbers are like decimals. Then 23, we compare the whole numbers, 23, 23 same. Then after decimal point 175, 192, which is bigger? 190, 192. So 23.175 is less than 23.192. Now 5.94, 6.037, both are not like decimal, unlike decimal. So we convert into the first like decimal. We add 0 on this, 940. Now we compare the whole numbers. Here is a 5, here is a 6. Which is the bigger? 6. 5.940 is less than 6.037. 19.705, here 19.750. So again these are the like decimal and whole numbers are same. 705, 750. Which is bigger? 750. 19.705 is less than 19.750. Now 11.10, here 11.001. Now these numbers are unlike, so we convert it into like decimal. We add 0 here. Now 11.100, 11.001, like decimals. Now we check whole numbers. 11, 11, same whole numbers. Now we will check decimal parts. 100,001. Which is bigger? 100. 11.100 is greater than 11.001. Okay, students? How to solve? Compare the decimal numbers. Now descending order. Now in descending order, first we convert like decimal into the first we convert unlike decimal into like decimal. So here see we check it is a like decimal or not. So here after decimal point 4 digit, here 4 digits, here 4 digit, 4 digit, 4 digit. So it is a like decimal numbers. Now we check the whole numbers. So here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. In that all 5 decimal numbers, whole numbers are 0. Now after decimal point here 1007, here 007, 107, 0071, 0107, 0710 and 0171. Now after decimal point we see this is a 1007, 0071, 0107, 0710 and 0171. The first one was our descending order means biggest to smallest. So we write first biggest decimal number. So 0.1007. Now next one is which one? 0071 या 0107 या 0710 या 0171. See here first decimal place is 00 same. Second decimal places is 171. Which is the biggest? This one. So 0.0710. Okay. Now next one. Now 0107, 0171. Now third place 717. So here what? 710 over 107 and 171. Which is the descending order is the biggest? 0.0171. then 0.0107, and last we write 0.0071. Understood, students, how to write? Okay. Again we write here 0.1007, then 0.0710, 0.0171, 0.0107, and 0.0071. Okay, students, is like your descending order, biggest to smallest. Okay. Now, next example, ascending order, 207.08, 206.80, 200.8, and 207.8, and 206.08. See, students, these are not this is like or unlike. See here, this is 2 decimal places, this is 2 decimal places, here 1, and here 2 decimal places. So these decimal numbers are unlike decimal numbers, so we convert into the like decimals. So we add 0 here or here. Okay, now we will write 207.08, 206.80, 200.80, we add 207.80, and 206.08. Now these are the like decimal. Now ascending order means what? Smallest to biggest. This one is the smallest number, 200.80, because we compare the whole numbers. So smallest whole number is 200. Now next smallest whole number is 206. 206. Both the whole numbers are same. Then we will go the decimal places. Here 80, here 08, which is smallest, 206.08, and then 206.80. Okay, students. Now next one is, which is 207. 207. Again these whole numbers are same. Now we check the decimal places. Here 08, here 80. So 207.08 is the smallest, and 207 point is 80. So students, this like we convert, this like we write ascending order. Okay. So understood how to solve ascending orders? This type we solve. First we see it is the like decimals or unlike decimals. Then we convert unlike decimals into the like decimals. Then we check whole numbers, and after whole numbers we check decimal parts. Okay. Now next. So what we learned today? Like and unlike decimals, compare the decimals, ascending order and descending order. Students, I hope you understand this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.